quickly punched the lungs.
Come on! Come on!
This is what my alarm going off feels like. Sean, get up!
Come on, Lara!
Come on, don't hit the snooze button, Lara!
It's them. I can't do this without you.
I'm sorry, Lara. I'm sorry. You can do this. You're a Croft.
God, this really is just like when my alarm goes off in the morning. Jesus. Just snooze. Just weep a little and snooze. Equip a second gun, Lara. You're a Croft.
Are you okay, Lara?
Lara, can I ask you a question?
Because it's all about...
Oh shit! Such a monster. I'm such a monster. I'm like one of my own branches from the master branch in GitHub. Oh god.
Lara, isn't it? Have you forgotten that she's the reason we're here?